pair of equal and opposite charges which are separated by small distance.
Very good. Pair of equal and opposite charges separated by the some distance 2a. Let me take here as a 2a. So I have taken here as a plus q and the minus q. Those two are, let me say it as the two equal and opposite charges which are separated by the some distance 2a, right? So at a point P, let me write as a from here I'll find out the what is the electric field intensity due to a dipole. Okay, at this point. So okay, so this is the electric dipole. Let me write here as a, so this is the some point O. Okay, this is the some point O. So let me say it as this is the electric dipole. Dipole momentum here is a P, right? So let me denote it as a E. Here some C D. Okay, so here if you see here, this is the electric dipole. At a point P we are going to measure what is the electric potential due to a plus q charge as well as your minus q charge. Let me write here is a theta and here also on theta. So here is a theta, then this will be the, what is this, dB is the opposite angle and AC is the opposite angle. Okay, from this diagram, let me write AB. What is AB here? Electric dipole. Consider a electric dipole AB with a distance. Okay, a distance, or let me write a separation. Okay, at a point P. So let me write this distance is the small r. Okay, from point P to 0 or O, let me write this is the, what is the distance here is a P. Okay, and now tell me from triangle OAC, from triangle OAC, can you tell me here, can you tell me the cos theta from this one, Jitin? From triangle OAC,
Yes,
theta
ma'am.
is here. Can you tell me the cos of theta?
Ma'am, which one will take as base, ma'am?
So here is a theta means AC will be the opposite one.
AC is the opposite side.
Yes.
Base will be CD,
Yes.
and
CD
AD
na.
is
This is O. This is O.
okay, OC, and
OC.
hypotenuse is AO.
Mm. Then
So it will
can
be
you tell
based by
me
hypotenuse.
what is this distance? Can you write it as A? Okay. This is also A. This is the middle point. Okay. So at a middle point, at a point P.
Cos
Okay.
theta is based by hypotenuse.
Then OC by
OC by A.
OA, or else then cos theta is equals to OC by A, small a, right? So
Yes,
or
ma'am.
else let me write it as a OC is equals to A cos theta, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, Suprit, not there.
Yes,
Amit,
ma'am.
Suprit is there. Very good.
Yes, sir.
So from triangle, next, from triangle ODB, from triangle ODB, can you tell me cos theta, dear? Theta is here. This is the, what do you say, opposite one, and tell me the base and hypotenuse here. Yes, cos
Who,
theta
ma'am?
is equals to Suprit.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Which triangle, ma'am?
Here is the angle theta.
Okay.
Now tell me cos of theta from this angle, this triangle.
Adjacent by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse will be, is that D, ma'am?
D, what D?
BD.
BD divided
Okay.
by
BD divided by adjacent, which is DO.
BO. Okay, B DB. Let me write it as a BD or a DB. Okay. Why you are taking dB? I told you, right? Here it is a theta, means this will be the opposite. Then what will be the adjacent?
Adjacent will be OB then.
OB na,
Yes, ma'am.
which is the hypotenuse.
Sorry, ma'am. The hypotenuse is OB and then this is
Hypo
DO.
adjacent or base ma. If you are confusing with that, adjacent or base, both are same. Okay.
Both are
So let
same,
me
ma'am.
write here O cos theta from ODB is the OD divided by OB. Right? Right, Supreet? Then cos theta is
Yes, ma'am.
equals to OD divided by OB. OB value is the, let
OB.
me write it as the A, right? A. So
Then
then
OD by A.
OD is equals to A cos theta. Right? OD is equals to A cos theta.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
got these all things from your diagram itself. AB is the electric dipole and 2 is the distance. Means from A to B is the distance is a 2A. From triangles, I got this OC is equals to A and OD is equals to A cos theta. Okay. So these are the things I got here. Okay. Let me write where a PA. PA, can I write it as PA distance is equal to the PC? Because the PA is equal to the PC. Let me write like that. PA is equals to the PC, where a PC is a sum of a PO plus OC. Yes or no? Yes or no? PA is equal to the PC. So let me write PC is equal to a PO plus OC. Yes or no? Or OP plus OC. Yes or no? Then PC is equals to a PO. What is a PO? From O to P, what is the distance?
R.
R. R plus. Then what is the OC you got? What is the OC you got?
A cos theta.
A cos theta. Please respond. Similarly, now tell me PB. Okay, a PB is equal to a PD. Okay, PB is equals to the PD. So let me write this PD. Okay, from P to D. Can I write it as OP minus OD? Yes or no? OP minus OD. Then PD is equals to OP. OP is the R and OD is the minus A cos of theta. Okay, I got the PC and I got the PD. Okay, so these are the distance. So the PD is the distance from the, what you say, a distance from the dipole to the plus Q charge, and the PC is the distance from the negative charge. Okay, so let me write the electric potential due to a point charge. What is the electric potential due to any point charge? What is the electric potential due to a point charge formula? Electric potential due to charge is a V is equals to, can you remember this formula? V is equals to a 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught a Q divided by R. Do you remember this formula?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then now just tell me V1 here. Here 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught A charge and a distance is the PC. Okay. Plus and a V2 is equals to, here next charge is the minus and here the PB distance is the R minus A cos theta. Okay. So let me write a V is equals to, I will combinedly write it.
1 minute, ma'am.
I will give you previous page. First, let me derive this. V is equals to a KE a QA divided by R plus a KE 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught I wrote as a KMA. Okay, no issues, right? Because in the last I will write it 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. QB by R. Okay, then V is equals to KE. Let me take it as a common. Here QA is the Q divided by R.
KE by R we can take common, ma'am.
No, R is not common because, so from here to here distance is not common. Here to here distance is not common. Here it is
Okay,
r plus a,
ma'am.
here it is r minus a. Here q is the just I wrote it as a for the qa charge and the qb charge. Q is the plus q here, and the distance is here is a r minus a cos theta, r minus a cos of theta. A minus, because I have taken minus charge, divided by distance is here as a r plus a cos theta. Now you can take the common of the q now. Then v is equals to keq 1 by r minus a cos of theta minus 1 by r plus a cos of theta. Okay, 1 by r minus a cos of theta, 1 by r plus a cos of r minus a cos of theta, and keq. So take the LCM here. Let me write it as a r plus a cos theta, a minus, it will be a, right? So minus r, it will be minus into minus, it will be plus a cos of theta. So in the downside, so it is the a in the form of a plus b and a minus b. So let me write it as minus a square cos square theta, right? Yes or no? Then v is equals to keq. So let me cancel r and minus r. Then you are remaining with a 2a cos theta divided by r square minus a square cos square theta. So if you observe here, then ke a q 2a cos theta divided by r square cos square theta. This is the equation you got here, right? So what is this 2qa? What is
Dipole.
this? Yes, a dipole moment P is equals to a Q into 2A. So let me write it as a K is equals to a P cos theta divided by R square minus A square cos square theta. So this is the equation I got. Okay. So let V is equals to K a P cos divided by R square minus A square cos square theta. Okay. So this is the electric potential due to a dipole. So let me write when A is very less than R or A square is very less than R square. So let me take A square cos square theta can be neglected. Okay, can be neglected. Then I can write V is equals to K a P a cos theta by R square. Or else let me write 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Okay, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught p cos theta divided by r square. So this is the when the point P lies in the axial line of a dipole on the either side of the things. Okay, so if it is the a negative charge, okay, when the point P lies on the axial line, but the dipole on the side of the negative charge means then this theta will be the minus 180 degree. Discuss after that. Please take it on this. Are you clear with this? Take it on. I will explain once again. Take it on.
Next page, ma'am.
Can I go for next page, students?
No, ma'am, once again.
Yeah. Once again, Sundar. Try to write explanation here also. Electric potential due to a dipole. Consider a electric dipole of 2A. What do you say? Writing or A. So at a point P, we are going to see what is the electric potential due to a dipole. Okay. Then from diagram, from triangle OAC, first write what is the distance from O to P. The distance from the O to P is a smaller, and O to B is a A, and O to A is a A. By looking at diagram, you can explain. Okay. Then from triangle is another diagram.
Yes, ma'am, you can go for the next.
Yes. Is it done? Is it done, students? Yeah. Yes. Can I go for next page, students?
Yeah, ma'am.
Done.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Okay, can I go for next one?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. In the last class, we have done the capacitors problems, right? What is the last problem? What we done? Let me know. What is the last problem we done? Please read. ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಾಲ್ನ. Okay. So what is the question number?
Ma'am, sixth one, ma'am.
Sixth one. What is the last question we done? What is the last question we done, ma? Tell me the question.
Ma'am, about the infinite plane of sheet of charged.
Infinite plane of sheet. Okay. Have we done this kind? A parallel plate capacitor has a circular plate of a radius 8
No,
centimeter. Yeah. Huh? No, na. Check it. A parallel plate capacitor has a circular plate of radius 8 centimeter and the plate separation is a 1 mm. What will be the charge on the plate? Potential difference of 100 volt is applied.
No, ma'am.
No. Take it on that
No,
question.
ma'am.
A parallel plate capacitor. A parallel plate capacitor has a circular plate of radius, circular plate of radius 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and the plate separation and plate separation 1 mm. What will be the charges on the plates? Charges on the plates if a potential difference of potential difference of 100 volt is applied. Yes. What do we need to do? A parallel plate capacitor of a radius so radius is given r is equal to meter. Let me write is r is equals to 8 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meter. Okay. So in the plate separation means d is equals to 1 mm. So let me write it as a d is equals to 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3 mm. Okay, so the potential difference of the 100 volt. Okay, so first you need to find out the parallel plate capacitor as a circular plates of radius is there means. So you already know that capacitance of a capacitor is a, what is the capacitance of a capacitor formula?
A epsilon naught
Capacitance,
by D.
yeah, capacitance of a parallel
A
plate
epsilon naught by D.
yeah, a parallel plate capacitor is the C is equals to A epsilon naught by D. So what is area here? Radius is given. Can I take it as a pi r square? A pi r square epsilon naught divided by D. Yes or no? So then C is equals to pi is equals to 3.142 into R. R is a 8 point to the power of minus 2 whole square. Epsilon naught value is the 8.854 into 10 to the power of minus 12 divided by D. D is how much? D is equals to 1 millimeter. Let me write it as a 10 to the power of minus 3. Tell me the value of a C. So if you got the C value, then you can find out the what is the charge. So how to find out the charge? This is the capacitance.
Q into V.
Yeah.
C,
Where
Q is equal to C into V.
Q is equals to C into V. Then C you got here, V is they give find out the Q. Let's first tell me the value of a C.
Ma'am, is 1.78 into 10 power minus 10.
Minus 3. Okay. What about Q value then? Into 100. Okay, 3.142 into 8 into 8. 8.854 divided by 1. Please respond, guys. This is not a way to
Ma'am,
listen
is
the
it
class.
1.78?
Ma'am, it's 1.78 into 10 power minus 10.
Minus 10 now. No. Please check with powers. You should get 10 to the power of minus 8. 1.78 into 10 to the power of minus 8. Here it will be, what is the value of 3.142 into 8 into 8 into 8.854? It is the 10 to the power of 4. Have you missed this? This will become 10 to the power of minus 4 into 10 to the power of minus 12 is the 10 to the power of 3.
Minus 13 it will be.
So let me do it. The people anyway won't do. A 3.142 into 8 into 8 into 8.854. So I got this value as a 1780.433152 into 10 to the power of minus 12 plus 3. It is the 10 to the power of minus 13. So let me write it as a 13 means tell me in a 10 to the power of 10. 10 to the power of minus 10. Can I write it as 1.70? Yes or no? 1.780? 780 into 10 to the power of minus 10. C is equals to 1.780 into 10 to the power of minus 10. I just shifted. So then Q is equals to 1.780 into 10 to the power of minus 10. Here, let me write it as 100 as a 10 to the power of 2.
Ma'am,
Two
it's
zeros.
1.78 into 10 power minus 8.
Yes, 10 to the power of minus 8 coulomb. Okay, is it clear, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I go for next
Hold
question?
on, Anshul.
Can I go for next question?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Yeah. Done?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Can I go for next question, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Question number, I think 8. 8. Please take it down fast. 8th one. So when 1.0, when 1.0, this kind of thing is done. When 1.0 into 10 to the power of 12 electrons are transferred from one conductor to the another, and potential a potential difference of test between the conductors, calculate the capacitance of a two conductor system. Is it done?
No.
No. Please take down 1.0 into 10 to the power of 10 to the power of 12 electrons. 10 to the power of 12 electrons are transferred okay, from one conductor to another, from one conductor to another, a potential difference of, let me write it as a PD, a potential difference of a 10 volt is applied. 10 volt is appears between the conductors. Calculate the capacitance. Calculate the capacitance. Okay, so let me write here. I'm going to 10 to the power of 12 electrons are transferred from one conductor to the another. A potential difference of the 10 volt is appears between the conductors. Calculate the capacitance of the two conductor system. Okay, so let me write here what is the Q they given. not Q. So let me say it as the number of electrons, right? The number of electrons is a 1.0 into 10 to the power of 12 electrons. So if the number of electrons are given, can you see how to take the charge of electron? Yes, by the quantization rule.
Q is
Can I
equal
take
to
it?
Q is equal to NE.
Q is equals to N into E. Then Q is equals to 1.0 into 10 to the power of 12. What is the charge of electron? 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. So then Q I got. Next. So transfer from one conductor to the another conductor as a V is equals to 10 volt. You need to find out the C, right? So how to find the C? The capacitance
Q
of any
by
conductor.
V.
Yes, C is equals to Q by V. So Q find out here, then divided by 10. Please do it. 1.0 into 1.6 is a 1.6 itself, right? 10 to the power of 12, 10 to the power of minus 9. You are doing calculations here. 12 minus 9 is a 10 to the power of minus
3.
7 coulomb.
Minus 9, ma'am.
1.0. 9.
Minus 19.
19. 10 to the power of minus 19. 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 is a 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 7. So divided by 10.
0.6 into 10 to the power minus 18.
That's it. 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 7. So it will
Minus
be,
7.
yes,
8,
here
ma'am.
10 to the power of minus 1. So it will be 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 8 capacitance. Is a farad. Okay. Then
Yes, ma'am.
yes. Please write it down and you can leave the class.
Thank you.
you. Yeah, thank you all.
Thank you.
Please,
ma'am.
yeah,
Thank you,
ma'am.
thank you all.
Thank
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
ma'am.
Thank you.